What you doing, buddy? Are you scooping your pumpkin?
I just scooped my big pumpkin.
Yes, you are, Grant.
A big pumpkin.
Yeah.
Big.
What are you doing, Jack?
Make you ice spikes.
Yeah? There's no one. Halloween 2007. Are you making your pumpkin?
I am.
You are, huh? You're making spikes? Uh-oh. Well, let's pick it up. Pick it up.
I just making charges.
Oh, okay. Nolan, what are you doing? Are you making pumpkins? Dad, what you doing?
Ew.
Making pumpkins.
Ew.
For Halloween.
Ew.
Ooh, gross,
Here,
huh?
reach in there and get it.
Is it ooh gross?
Get it.
Yes.
It's ooh gross?
What do you see, Mommy?
Mommy's taking your picture. Say hi.
Mommy, I see
Say happy Halloween.
Hey, good job.
Happy Halloween. Say. Is that your Halloween face? Grant, can you say happy Halloween?
I'm helping.
I'm making pretty towers. I'm making pink Halloween holiday.
We're making it for our Halloween party, aren't we?
And I put it on top.
We're going to put it on the top, aren't we? Nolan, can you say happy Halloween? Nolan?
Nolan, say happy Halloween.
Nolan got the wrong holiday, but got the gist of it. All right.